take care of you. I will.
Headed to school. Officially out of my last class. So glad that it's over. Now I just have to finish my last couple of finals and I will be done for the semester. Super duper duper excited. But now I need to get home. I have a couple things that I need to do. But like I said, almost done.
The nerve of you.
Yeah,
Do you want
the
something
nerve.
to eat?
Of course.
You want?
Whatever you bring home.
No, I can't. No, I asked you what you want to eat. I did half, you do the rest. I did 25, you do 75.
What? No.
What kind of thing do you want to eat, baby?
I want to eat fulfilling things.
You want to what?
Fulfilling, something that's fulfilling.
Baby, please, not today. I remember I seen this picture on Pinterest. You know how people be taking, I don't know, I guess it'd be like gold picture. Not even really like a gold picture, but just like a picture of like a bunch of different foods and snacks and stuff.
Uh-huh.
And then like it was a picture like that, and then they had like some roses and all this stuff, and then it was a picture from like somebody posted on their story or whatever, and they were like, oh my god, he's so sweet. And then somebody commented, like whoever posted the picture had made a comment on it. That's like, see what happens when you actually tell us what you want to eat.
Weak. Why you so shady for? Ooh, you know what I can go for, baby?
What?
Some checkers.
Checkers? Say less. I want some checkers too. What you want some checkers? Some fries and what else? Cause you don't eat. The chicken bites.
Yeah.
A half pound of chicken bites.
Yeah. Ooh, she home now. Ooh, she home now. She home now. I like this case. I'm feeling this case, but it does look better with the red iPhone. But I don't care because my brother not getting it. Okay. There she go. There she go.
I would never bring home checkers.
There she go. Oh, hold on. It's not focused. Come on, focus. Focus. Okay, I'm glad it's not focusing. Oh, you just... Alright, let's stop that.
Guys, do you ever have so much to do that like literally the only thing that you could do to keep yourself sane is to go to sleep and do nothing?
Chloe, a toy oven.
Chloe.
That's me.
Perfect name for a pastry chef.
I'm just gonna take a nap. Just gonna take a little power nap. So the last time you guys saw me, I was looking very rough. But I took my little nap, got up, and I was motivated, so I went ahead and filmed some videos for the 25 days of Kissmas. If you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, the 25 days of Kissmas is a series that I'm doing where I upload 25 videos leading up to Christmas. So I just finished filming, and now I have this huge mess that I need to clean up. And I will check back in with you guys. I've been doing homework all day. Sick of this. So classes ended yesterday, and now I'm like officially freaking out because now is when like all of the final papers, all of the final essays, like all of that stuff is due. So I'm a to-do list type of girl, so you know I got my to-do list popping. I'm trying to go ahead and edit the video that's gonna go up today while it's still early. I'm just trying to find me a good balance of like finishing my schoolwork, working on videos, because of course it's like the videos is the fun part. Like I've been like recording kind of like as I go also, so that's kind of the fun part of like being able to sit down and do my makeup and stuff like that, but I have to be able to prioritize, you know. But I'm going to try to have all of my assignments and things done by this weekend so that I can kind of get those out of the way. So I have 2 papers that I have to write, and I have 4 finals that I have to do, but all of the finals are online. So anyway, guys, I'm about to go ahead and jump into one of those papers right now because I think it has to be like 4 pages long, and I just want to finish. I just want to be done. So let me go ahead and get started. They're not due until I think like next Friday, but I just want to get it over with pretty much.
3 days later.
Don't mind my appearance because I look like extra rough today. But today is Sunday, December 9th, aka the day before like all finals are due. I have 3 more tests to take, and I am going to try my best to get them all done today. Gotta check back in and let you guys know how that goes later. We're at the final countdown, y'all. It's 5:30 now, and all the assignments are due by 11:59. I only have like 1 more assignment to do, and then I'm done for the semester, y'all. I'm so excited. I cannot wait. I'm so excited. That's it, y'all. That was the last one. It's done. It's done.